Okay, we're going to look at Math Lesson 5. This one is, I can make one group with a given attribute. Okay, we're going to start with a little activity. So let's start by counting these dots here. 1, 2. So point to them and count with me. 1, 2. Okay, this time I want you to stand and we're going to count. When we're going to say 1, 2, I count to 2. So point and count. 1, 2, I count to 2. Now let's sit back down and do it. 1, 2, I count to 2. Good job. All right, so now we're going to count our Zoom friends. We're going to count across the screen. So I'm going to say your name as we count. When we say the number 3, the third person is going to stand up and they're going to stay standing and we're going to keep going with other people. So let's try that. Let me pause here. Okay. Here, let's match some objects that are used together. Let's see. What would you say belongs together here? Pause here and let's talk about that. Okay. Here we're going to find and sort some food items. Okay, so we're going to make a group with some food items. So let's see. Let's find the food items and I'll circle them. Okay, so let's pause here and we'll talk about that. Okay, so we made one group. Everything in this group is food. So we sorted them into a group of food. Now let's look at this group of objects. Pretend that your mom or dad is packing a lunch for you and we need to make a group of food. So let's pause and talk about which items are food. All right, so what did you make today? And how did you make a group? And what was the same about the things in your group and what was different? So let's pause and discuss this. Okay, finally, in your math course, you're going to find a link to a game called Fuzzbugs. It's going to be a fun way of practicing your sorting and your counting. So go ahead and go to that.